Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use a chroma key or a green screen effect in Clipchamp. So let's get right into it. For example, let me add this here video, and I'll be overlaying this dinosaur green screen over my video, and just give it a second while it is buffering. It's most likely buffering because it is so zoomed in, but it doesn't really matter. Let me just zoom out a bit so that I can view my video a bit easier, so that the entire track isn't going overboard. But yeah, this should be enough. Now, if I take this green screen and overlay it above the video in the timeline, as you can see, the green screen will be in front of the video in the preview. Now, to deactivate the green screen, and it doesn't need to be green, it can be any other color, it could be this blue gradient as well. All you need to do is click and select the actual green screen video, go into effects, and locate the green screen effect. And as you can see, it is applied and the green has disappeared. Now, you can change the screen threshold if you want to. As you can see, I changed it and the dinosaurs are a bit more visible, but you can choose any other color you want. As you can see, if I click on red, and you can use only RGB, so red, green, and blue. If I click red, the reds disappear fully. If I click blue, the blue dots should disappear fully as well. Let me just modify the threshold, and as you can see, if I modify it, the blues go away completely. And if I turn back to green, as you can see, the green screen has disappeared. And that's pretty much what the chroma key tool is. It can only be done for those three colors. It cannot be for anything else. You have the black white removal as well, but pretty much black, white, and RGB is the only colors which you can remove from a video and apply a chroma key effect. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.